I'm Dr. Cynthia Jackson Small, and I'm delighted to announce a brand new webinar that's coming soon, sponsored by Child Care Support Network. But before I talk a little bit about the details of the webinar, I'd like to ask a couple of questions. As an early childhood professional, do you ever experience lots of stress or lack of time to even come up and breathe during the instructional day? And at the end of the workday, do you feel that you are so exhausted and so stressed out that you don't even feel like driving home from the school setting? Well, if you answered yes to either one of these questions, I have a webinar that's designed just for you. It's called Ready, Set, Breathe. In this 1.5-hour webinar, I will actually take professionals in early childhood to a new level of looking at ways to take care of themselves so that they can better care for young children. We hope that you will go on our website and register soon for Ready, Set, Breathe.